Hi everybody, back at you with another video. My name is John of Millinery and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by you. Thank you very much for watching. If you would love to support this channel, even with a very small monthly donation, there's a Patreon link down below. It will take you to my Patreon page where you can sign up for as little as £1 per month. So if you're interested, it's down there, and I will see you on Patreon. I'm still going to do my weekly Tuesday videos, however, we're going to switch it up. Thankfully, and you know, this is a good thing, all the supplies are still open, nothing's really changing, so it just doesn't make sense for me to be saying, yeah, everything's fine. So, changing these Tuesday videos up, we're still going to be promoting all the suppliers, the block makers and everything, and instead of doing like, yeah, everybody's still open, this is what they're offering, I'm going to do a weekly kind of what's hot, as in a fantasy hat, like picking a block, a brim, a trim, this, that, the other, and showcasing just some of the beautiful things that people have for sale. So I don't know, we'll see if you like it. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and that lets me know that you like this video and you want to see more of something like this. So let's crack on with this video. So to start with, we want to look at the crown. So I have picked this beautiful slanted pot pie crown from Highland Hat Blocks, and I think, I don't know, I love a pot pie. All my hats are back home in storage, so I don't have them with me, but I do have a few pot pie hats which I really like, and I'll probably put a couple of them on the screen from thumbnails from these videos, so you know. And so yeah, I kind of wanted to pick this pot pie. I just thought it was for something a bit different. I haven't seen this shape on this angle before, so that's why I kind of picked that one. So that would be the crown that we would start with. And then going along with that crown, we need a brim. So the brim I have picked is this HB058 brim hat block from Hat Blocks Direct. And once again, I like the idea of that kind of rounded, sort of slightly organic shape of the crown, because it's quite circular. It kind of reminds me slightly organic, with this very kind of structured, sharp, angular brim. I've got a brim very similar to this, which I enjoy working with. I don't really do brims that much really, and in fact, in coming live streams, I've got some brims. I've got like so yeah, wait for that. But yeah, I thought it would look nice with this side of brim. The only thing about this block is it's not double-sided, I believe, because I know some of the brim blocks, I prefer to get a dual-sided brim block because they're a bit more expensive, but you get we get more use out of it. So, you know, that's what I thought. So I would use that brim with the previous block to make the hat that we're going in. So we now need to look at our foundation material. This fantasy hat that we're making, we would be using this Parasisal cape line in flame from Hatter's Millinery Supplies. This is stunning. This is a beautiful colour. I have just bought, I just received this morning, this neon yellow Parasisal from Hatter's Millinery Supplies. Literally, I ordered this yesterday and it turned up today. That's no shade to anybody else. It's just they are around the corner. They're literally like around the corner from where I live. So this flame, and sometimes the colour doesn't, you're not really sure. So what I like about this is they've actually put the Pantone colour on. So I googled that to see what the actual colour is, and it's like it is literally like a burnt orange flame. Oh, beautiful. This would be a beautiful hat. So that's what our foundation material will be. And then obviously we need like a trim of some description. So first of all, you need some sort of ribbon, especially if you're on the inside, around the crown. So I picked this dark, beautiful dark teal ribbon, Peachtree ribbon from Peachtrum's in the UK. I think this would look absolutely stunning with that flame shade. Oh, those two colours together. Oh, I may have to buy all these things. Yeah. Oh my word, it's going to cost me a fortune to do this. But yes, definitely, I think these two colours together would be beautiful. And then as I was scrolling, you know, trying to find like, oh, what would look nice together, I actually came across this, this beautiful, beautiful Valen. Oh, I mean, it says it's a bright orange, so I'm not sure exactly how it would work, but I think it could work. I think it could work, because more often than not, we get things and when we put things together, that unless they're custom dyed by the same material, you don't always get, even if you're using the same material, you're not always guaranteed to get the same shade. So it's a nice variation on that flame, that burnt orange flame. And it's even got like, that little bit of different effect at the bottom of the Valen. Beautiful. Now, if you can hear banging or noises, my neighbour is having work done, because finally we're allowed to have people around. And not my neighbour in the building, just like neighbour on the street. And they're very loud. And they've been doing this since 7:30 this morning. Yeah. So yeah, I think this Valen would be beautiful to go alongside that beautiful ribbon and that gorgeous parasisal. Oh. Then to finish it off, you know, very simple. I just think like a nice small band around the bottom. I think a gathering of Valen, maybe kind of going over the edge a little bit across the face, and then finishing off with this spiky feather mount from Be Unique Millinery. And this is a beautiful shade of teal as well, so those two paired together, beautiful. And I think that sort of, I think I'm going to have to make this. Let me know if you want me to make this on this channel, and I will work something out. Maybe not with the random blocks, because I'm not buying specific blocks for a video, but if you do want me to make something like this, let me know and I will do. So I also did a quick illustration on Illustrator to see what this would look like, and you know, I think it could turn out something like this, you know, stunning, stun. So yeah, like I said before, if you would like to see this hat put together, then let me know and I will see if I can arrange that. But thank you very much for watching. My name has been John. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because all these things do help. And if you want to support the suppliers, all the links to everything will be in the description box below. So make sure you come and see me in my live stream later on this week on Thursday. I have a video coming out on Friday, and I will be using this. Yep, I'll be finally using this, and I will see you then. Till then, bye.